Sometimes it's for necessity. Other times it's for therapy. Sometimes you just need to get away. And sometimes it's our only chance at freedom. We drive for many reasons. It doesn't matter where you're from, where you've been. It doesn't even matter what you drive or who you are. What matters is how you drive. Some don't have it, and some just don't care. Others live by it. Eat, breathe, and sleep driving. It becomes more than a passion. Two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, turboed. Doesn't matter. What matters is the connection and how it makes you feel. Not only does it keep us sane, keep us happy, keep us focused, but sometimes it's the only way to get away. As we grow older, our choices, our styles, our decisions, and points of view on a lot of these things will change. As we grow up, we develop our skills, we develop our style, and become more one with the machine. Eventually it becomes a part of you that can't shut down, a part of you that you can't shut down, a part of you that you can't deny. Something about it always keeps you coming back. Either you want more, or you just need to get away. From a young age, driving is an incredible feat. Many of us look forward to it for 16 long years. And then it happens. The keys to your first car don't just start the engine. It unlocks the door to power. Today things are very different than they used to be. The car guy has changed and evolved over the years, changing platforms, technologies, styles, disciplines, and everything else about it. With social media, it becomes very easy to be jaded. There's a lot of toxicity out there. If you listen to social media, it tells you that only the best cars matter, only the best parts matter. The only thing people seem to care about is how much horsepower you have and how much money you spend. They want to see brand name parts on everything. It seems like nobody appreciates the car for what it is. The car you drive has been designed by professionals. Somebody has put their heart and soul to that car. And then you get it and change everything about it. Some of these machines have been designed to perfection, and we don't even care. People seem to worry about who's got the best parts or the brand names. Everybody puts effort into their dreams, yet the rewards are never found, unless you find them yourself. Which means you should build your car for you, because at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what anybody thinks. A major problem with today's car culture is nobody brings anybody up anymore. Nobody says anything kind. Nobody says anything enthusiastic. Nobody says anything to help you along your day. And these are problems that I don't want to deal with anymore. When I build my cars, I build them for me. I don't care what people think. I don't care what people say. All I care about is how it makes me feel. The connection, the bond between man and machine. Because all that really matters when you're done is how you feel about it. Trends and fads come and go. Don't build your car to fit in. Build your car for you. It's an extension of your personality. It can show people who you really are. Express your creativity, not only in the style, the way the car looks, but the way you handle it, the way you drive it. That's what truly matters. It doesn't matter if you're driving something completely modified, dynoed at over 1,000 horsepower, or driving something completely stock with hubcaps. In a perfect world, we'd just be all happy for each other and enjoy each other's company and help each other out as much as possible. But that's often not the case. So when you're watching this, I want you to think about what's good for you, what your style is about, what you are about, not what anybody else likes or how they think it should be. Driving comes from the heart, comes from the soul. You have to feel it, create it, build it, perfect it. Always keep growing. Always learn. You might have come a long way, but there's still a long road ahead of you. Even those who've been driving professionally for years and have experience with highly modified, high horsepower cars can still get a kick out of something that's bone stock, something that's balanced, something that's fun, and something that gets you where you want to go. Car culture today consists of so many levels. There's so many people at different times in their lives, different backgrounds, from different places, different financial situations. But it all comes down to your passion, how much you put into it, how consistent you are. Do today what others don't, so you'll have tomorrow what others won't. A car show or a meet is often a gallery of art, people showing off their prized possessions, from $100,000 builds and up to something that a kid put together in his shed and is proud that it's running again. Sometimes you won't always feel welcome at these shows. Sometimes you'll get there to find out that you're not allowed to park where you decided to park. You're not allowed to be in the front row because your car's just not good enough. Many people take offense to that, but sometimes you have to stand back and look at the big picture. Doesn't mean your car's not good enough. It just means that maybe you have a bit more work to do. Or just maybe you're in the wrong spot altogether. Car culture has so many different layers, different levels, different areas. You gotta find out where you fit in and never stop working towards your goals.
On fait du bruit pour la GTA, tout le
monde! Nothing comes for free in this life, especially in the car world. You've either got to put in the time and or the money. More than often, it becomes both. A lot of us sacrifice more than we have to, but we do it for the joy, the love, the passion, and everything else in between.